Good afternoon. Today we're going to talk about heat-cool changeover as it applies to the Microtech 3 control system. Why is that important? In order to troubleshoot what's going on with your system, you need to know what the mode of the equipment should be in. In order to know what mode of operation it should be in, you need to know your control temperature source. Control temperature source is defined as the temperature input that makes the decision to be in the heat-cool, whether it be in the heating or cooling mode. For rooftops, you can select space temperature, return air, or outside air. For some of our units, you can select none as a control temp source, and that automatically allows the unit to look at discharge air only as your changeover. A little example of a graph here. If we select our control temp source as, say, return air, that's shown on the left-hand side of the screen here. The time is shown at the bottom. This top line here represents your occupied cooling set point. The bottom line here represents your occupied heating set point. If your return air, being that this is your control temp source, return air, if you're below the occupied heating set point by over half the deadband, your unit should be in the heating state. If you rise above the occupied heating set point by over half the deadband, you're going to be in the fan-only state. Once you rise above the occupied cooling set point by over half the deadband, you're going to be in the cooling state of operation. And then as you fall back under it again, you'll return to the fan-only state. The heat-cool changeover question represents a large majority of the phone calls to TRC. Understanding heat-cool changeover will give you an advantage solving a problem on a unit. Any questions? Thank you.